In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up widgets on your blog. So widgets are little boxes that display information or add features to the sidebars, headers, and footers of your blog. And I'm going to show you how to set those up here. So to set up your widgets, there's two places you can do it from. You can come here to the Appearance tab and select widgets, or you can set them up from the Customize tab. Now I'm going to show you the Customize tab in another video. So for now, we're going to set them up here from the Appearance and Widgets tab. So just click into Widgets here. Now, once you're in here, there's two things that you've got going on. On the left-hand side, you've got your available widgets. So these are all the different widgets that come with your theme. And on here on the right, you've got the widget areas. So these are the different areas on your blog where you can add these widgets to. Now, depending on your WordPress theme, you might have more or less available widgets, and you might also have more or less areas that you can add those widgets to. But when it comes to the available widgets, you can add more widgets to your blog through plugins. So for example, if I was looking to add a specific widget to my blog, like an image widget, I can go to plugins, I can select my image widget, I can install it and activate it, and then it will appear here. So let's add some widgets. I'm going to show you what they look like. But first, I want to show you the home page on my blog. So here's the home page on my blog. And as you can see, there's nothing on the sidebar here. But we want to add some widgets to the sidebar. So we're going to come here to the widget area, and we're going to select some widgets. So for example, we probably want to add a search bar to that widget area. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to drag and drop the widgets into the area you wanted. So up here, now I've dragged and dropped the search bar into the sidebar widget. I want to also add my recent posts. So if I want to display my recent posts in my sidebar, I can do that. And if I probably want to display my categories as well. So let's look for categories. So here. So now I can add these to my sidebar widget. So I can drag and drop these into any widget area. And for each widget I drag and drop, I can also have extra features I can set up. For example, with categories, I can choose to display this as a drop-down menu or show post count or a hierarchy. So whichever way I want that widget to look in the widget area, I can set it up here by just opening up the widget. So once you add those widgets, and then I'm going to come back to my home page and I'm going to refresh it. And now you can see this widget area has been added to the sidebar. Now, as I said, it depends on your theme, the different widget areas you have. For example, you might have a header widget area. And if I had one of those on my blog, then I might be able to add ads, for example. So I could display an ad in that widget area. Or I could have widget areas on the left and right-hand side of my blog. So once you come in here to Appearance and Widgets, you'll be able to drag and drop the different widgets that you want into the different widget areas. And that is how you set up widgets on your blog.